Hi, good morning to all. You might have heard this word agriculture many times, isn't it? Do you know what does it mean? Yes, it is a science of farming, okay, rearing of animals, okay, mining activities. Yes, now listen. It is the science or practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and rearing of animals. The history of agriculture began thousands of years ago. India is an agriculturally important country. You know that two-thirds of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. I think everyone is attracted the natural beauty of our surroundings. Okay. Now one chapter in geography that we are going to study here, that is agriculture. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume. Besides food grains, it also produces raw material for various industries. For example, paper industry. We need wood. Textile industry. We need cotton or jute. Sugar industry. We need sugar cane. So without raw material, running of our industries are not going on smoothly. Okay. Now we are going to study about which are the different types of farming. Here we can see primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, and commercial farming. The first one, that is primitive subsistence farming. It is also known as slash and burn agriculture. It is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dough, and digging sticks. It depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and suitability of other environmental conditions to the crops grown. In this type of farming, farmers clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. Land productivity in this type of agriculture is low. The farmer doesn't use fertilizers or other modern inputs. In the northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland, this type of farming is called jumming. Another type of farming is called intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farm. That is, with the help of more laborers, biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for higher production. It is practiced in West Bengal, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh. Another important type of farming is called commercial farming. Here, farmers use higher doses of modern inputs, example, high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. Commercial farming usually varies from region to region. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Odisha it's a subsistence crop. What does it mean? Yes, Punjab and Haryana is producing more rice. After their consumption, they sell these to other states or other areas. But in Odisha, whatever they are producing, all is used for their own consumption. Okay. Then have you heard about the Green Revolution? Yes, what is Green Revolution? Yes, a new strategy introduced in agriculture. Yes. Why it started? For increasing agricultural production. You might have heard here high yielding variety of seeds. These are the modern techniques of production introduced in agriculture. HYV seeds, chemicals, fertilizers, insecticides, etc. used for getting more production. That is why they can sell this product to other areas also. Okay. I think clear? Yes. Now, another type of commercial farming that we are going to study, that is plantation farming. Plantation farming is a type of commercial farming in which a single crop is grown on a large area. The production is mainly for market and all the produce is used as raw material in respective industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops. Plantation farming is practiced in Assam, Bengal, Karnataka, etc. That means they are giving more importance to plantation farming. Especially you might have heard tea plantations in Assam and West Bengal, coffee in Karnataka, etc. Okay. Now let us recall what we learned now. The first point, that is, what is agriculture? Yes, tell me, what is agriculture? Yeah, it is the science or practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and rearing of animals. Then which are the different types of farming? Yes, one, that is primitive subsistence farming. It is also known as slash and burn agriculture. I think you might have studied this in your earlier classes. Have you remembered that one? Yes, a small patch, clear the forest area, a plot of land first they clear, and yes, allow these unwanted weeds to burn, then spread the ashes here and there and increasing the fertility of the soil. Like that, 1 or 2 or 3 years continuously they are growing that same plot of land. Then after the 3 year, they are taking or clearing another plot of land. This area they leave it for increasing the fertility. That you might have studied in your earlier classes. Okay. So here farmer doesn't use any fertilizers or any chemicals. That's why the productivity is very low. But in intensive subsistence farming, the land is very less. So because of the high pressure on land, they are giving more importance to biochemical inputs and irrigation. They used for increasing the production. And the very important type of farming that we study, that is commercial farming. Here farmers are using latest techniques of production like modern techniques, high yielding variety of seeds or chemicals or fertilizers or modern irrigation facilities for increasing the production. And the one variety of commercial farming that also we discussed here, that is plantation farming. That is single type of crop is growing on a larger area. Okay, especially I told you that tea plantation, rubber plantation, sugarcane plantation, coconut plantation, etc. All these you might have heard, and I hope you got an idea about this topic, and I hope you enjoyed the session well. Okay, thank you.